Okay, here at Michelle's place we've installed the heat pump. We've basically got it going. It's going now, and the heat pump is actually quieter than the pool pump on medium speed. So I've got the main pool pump on medium speed, and it's quiet like that, so that it's amazingly quiet, which is brilliant. We've got it set here to 29 degrees. With these ones, what you have to do is press and hold the little lock button there, and then after that you have to load up. So now it's available to change settings. So 29, and then it'll, once it doesn't get input for another about 10 seconds, it'll go back into lock mode. You don't really have to worry about this screen at all. You can leave that set as is, and you can control the heat pump coming on and off via the main outlet here. So it's plugged into the left hand side there. If you turn it off, then it won't heat the pool. So unless 29 degrees is too hot, then you can then turn it down a little bit. If it's too cold, you can turn it down, turn it up. But that's it, running. It'll only run when there's flow, so you don't need to change anything there either when it gets flow, and if you want it to heat, then it'll heat up. Thanks.